let us introduce the term calendar, a list that shows the days, weeks and months of a particular year is called calendar. There are 12 months in a calendar. January has 31 days, February 28, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30 and last December has 31 days. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now let us learn about weeks. There are 4 weeks in a month. A week is a time unit which is equal to 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Reading the time. A clock has two hands. The long hand is called minute hand and the short hand is called hour hand. When the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at any number, we read the time as o'clock time. In the given clock, the hour hand is at 3 and the minute hand is at 12. So we read the time as 3 o'clock. When the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between any two numbers, we read the time as half past time. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 3 and 4. So we read the time as half past 3. It can be written as 3:30. When the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is between any two numbers, we read the time as quarter to the next hour. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is between 3 and 4. So, we read the time as quarter to 4. When the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is between any two numbers, we read the time as quarter past. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is between 3 and 4. So we read the time as quarter past 3. Clock. Clock means an instrument that shows you what time it is. Show the time on the clock for the following activities. Here you have to show the time on the clock. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I have my breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. I come back from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I go to play with my friends at 5:30 in the evening. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock in the night. Our next topic is units of time in hours and minutes. Look at the clock. The numbers 1 to 12 are marked as equal distances. Between 12 and 1, there are 5 units. Similarly, between 1 and 2, there are 5 units. Start counting the units from the mark 12 and come back to it. You will get 60 units. These small units are called 60 minutes. When a minute hand completes one round, it moves through these small 60 units. The minute hand takes 1 hour to complete this 60 unit. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The face of a clock has 12 equal big units on it. These big units are called hours. The hour hand takes 60 minutes to move through one number to the next number. Finding time in 1/4 hours and in minutes. Let us see what the time will be if the minute hand is against any mark, numbers other than 6 or 12. Remember, if the minute hand is on the left hand side, that means 6 to 12, we say 2 to the hour. And if the minute hand is on the right hand side, that means 12 to 6, we say past the hour. For example, the hour hand is between 2 and 3. Minute hand is at 10 left hand side. Time is 10 minutes to 3, that is 2:50. Next example. The hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 5, that is in right hand side. The time is 25 minutes past 2, that is 2:25. Remember, quarter to 11, that means the hour hand is nearing the mark of 11. Quarter past 11, that means the hour hand has left the mark of 11. Now let us learn about conversion. Converting days to hours. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. We multiply the number of days by 24 to convert days into hours. For example, 3 days is equal to 3 into 24 hours is equal to 72 hours. Converting hours to minute. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We multiply the number of hours by 60 to convert hours into minute. For example, 3 hours. 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60 minutes is equal to 180 minutes. Now converting hours and minutes into minutes. Convert 4 hours 30 minutes into minutes. 4 hours 30 minutes. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 4 into 60 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 240 minutes plus 30 minutes. We get 270 minutes after converting 4 hours 30 minutes. Our next topic is time in AM and PM. We know one day is equal to 24 hours. AM is used for morning time, that is 6 am, and PM is used for evening time, that is 6 pm. Remember, 12 midnight to 12 noon is AM and 12 noon to 12 midnight is PM. We say 12 noon or 12 midnight. We do not use AM or PM with 12. Thank you, children.